Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing 2 activities and registering the target in Android Manifest so Android can find it. Once created, instantiate an explicit intent with new intent, this target activity. Class and attach any extras using intent. Put extra, key value, make sure to import Android. Content, intent and use the current activity context. This ensures the system resolves the component. Also, set flags only if needed. Don't overuse flag activity clear top, because flags change backstack behavior. Once your intent carries the right extras, decide how you'll start the activity. Start activity for one-way navigation, or start activity for result if you expect a result back. You pass primitives and strings directly, but for complex objects use parcelable or serializable. Parcelable is faster on Android. Make sure you define a unique request code constant and check it in on activity result. Also, use intent. Create chooser when offering external apps so the user picks the best handler. You finish by handling the response in on activity result. Check the request code and result code, then read return data with data. Get string extra, key, or get parcelable extra. Once done, always null check the intent to avoid crashes and consider set result, result OK, result intent in the child activity before finish. If things go wrong, make sure both activities are declared in Android Manifest, that you use the correct context, and that your request codes don't collide. These 3 are the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.